Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is to show you that when you're down, you're not always out. Today, we're working on the 2011 Mini Cooper. It's going to get new brakes. There's Colin and the wife. They are prepping the brakes. Colin's got to do them because I am on crutches. And 1 week out of surgery, I had my my Achilles removed to get rid of a bone spur. There was apparently some fragments and some scar tissue and some other things in there, but yeah, I'm 1 week out of surgery, so I am very much immobile. So sitting like this, I only do for a few hours before I want to go put my leg up, and I'm just now weaned off the medicine. So today, though, what I'm going to do, while he does the brakes, I'm not going to show you the brakes. What I'm going to do here is when he takes the wheel off, I am going to install. So we had tires put on this car a few weeks ago, and we've had issues with the tire pressure sensors, and they said they were all broken, but they couldn't order them. So I ordered some because this was like $45 for a pack of 4. Apparently, they're like $60 or $70 each if you go through a parts store. So any parts store is gonna charge you like, this is like a $300 or $400 job just to do these. So almost as much as the tires themselves. So I bought a bead breaker, and I bought the new. They're supposed to be plug and play. Supposed to put them in, and they're supposed to start working right away. So these tire pressure sensors. So once Colin gets the wheel off over there, I'm gonna go ahead and break the bead, and I'm gonna put on these tire pressure sensors. So hopefully that works out. All right, guys. So this is pretty easy setup. Here is the current tire pressure monitor. So it does come apart. I just put this in here. You just need an Allen wrench. So I kind of started putting it together. That's it. And this end here comes off. And once I take this tire off, this is going to go inside. And then I'm going to tighten this down. And we're going to be all set, right? Right? Yeah, sure. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to break the bead just offset of this tire pressure monitor. So first thing that you need to do, I got a kit also from Amazon. This kit is for tire stems. Probably didn't necessarily need this one so much, but I'm going to take the valve stem out, the straighter valve. Let the air out, because obviously you don't want air in here. And then 1.25 inches fits on the bead breaker tool. So I don't know if I need a camera or not, but we'll see. It'd be nice if this had a rubber. This hook does not have a rubber protector on it, so you got to watch your rims. I'm just going to use a paper towel, I guess. And the first one, you want to tighten this one down. Let's see if I can do it without a hammer. Bead broken. Not bad.
You taking the tire off?
Yeah, it's got to change the sensor in there.
So yeah, tire's out the wheel.
Well, good, and he's teaching his daughter how to change it.
He taught me how to fix a bike tire. The only thing I've ever learned from this thing. And I'm old.
Get to learning.
Yeah, well, he told me how to do brakes, and I paid attention.
Well, you're his
and now I
son.
can do brakes. How many times has he said,
the best way to put this in there, let it do that.
Oh.
Can you give me a? I need a socket.
What size?
With a 7/16. This part is in there somewhere.
Magnet?
No, it's plastic.
If you wiggle it, I think you can do it. Is it right there?
All right.
What was that?
And then you get questions.
Why?
Are we fixing this again?
Not until then. Not
Ow!
There's spider webs in the tripod.
Look at that. Finally.
We can never trust anything AJ says.
Here it is. Before I put this one in, the first thing I'm gonna do is tighten it up. That'll work for us. All right.
Was that the new one?
Yay.
Blue. I'm gonna tell everybody that my tire sensors are blue.
Teal.
Okay, whatever.
Well, tell
did you
everybody,
know-
they'll be able to see it.
They can't see it.
Can you catch it?
What'd you say again? Cole, did you know my tire pressure sensors are blue?
That's
Teal.
Teal.
Teal? My bad.
It was, man. That's what you wanted to
What?
know. That's what you wanted to know.
I don't know how tight. It's too tight. I think that's about tight enough. So, click. All right. Only 3 more to go.
Am I stealing from Colin?
Yeah, maybe the air. Pop. Scared? No, just see it on the rim. 32. We're done. One down. What's that?
You want to go in the house and cool down until we're ready for the next one?
Colin should be about ready for me, right?
I'm gonna take this same thing. I'm gonna take the bracket off. I was almost ready, but now I have to take the bracket off. Yes, my forehead.
Well, we did it. A little bit of yelling. This, the original one, this end here actually stripped out. So, because it's so corroded and nasty. So I did have to use an extractor. But Colin's still over there working on the brakes. So I was able to do this pretty quick. I only banged my foot once. Only dropped a few things. I will edit out all of the anger. Obviously, having a way to hold this down, you saw with the block of wood, maybe another person help with the pry bar is the best way to do that. But yeah, getting to it's just a little bit of a struggle, but not too bad. This one went in. Once they're all together, we will see what the if it automatically, it's supposed to automatically read these. So as soon as it's in the car, they're supposed to work. So we'll see how it goes. I was thinking about setting the camera up and time-lapse me doing the rest of these, but Colin's struggling over there. So
They're all like rusting.
yeah, it's a pretty rough rear brake job. Maybe you should have recorded that one. But I'm done. So yay me. Everybody's here helping, doing their part. Cole and Elise doing their part. The other Mini over there, it was easier than this one, even though that's an 05 and this is an 07 or 2011. Yeah, tire's done. You know, I think I'm going to call that because it's going to be a little longer than I thought. I'm not just going to get tires handed to me in my lap here to do. It's going to take a bit. So, thanks guys. Like and subscribe. Hopefully this helped you out. I think it's a short video. We'll see how it goes. Thanks guys.